Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can block sensitive content on Google Chrome. For example, if you don't want your family members to have access to, let's say, unwanted extensions, downloads, websites, etc., etc. So let us show you how you can block all of that content here on Google Chrome. So what you want to do is launch Google Chrome, access it via, for instance, the Chrome application on your desktop computer or laptop. Next, head over to your browser settings by clicking into these three dots here, click into settings. Inside your settings, navigate to privacy and security to the left, and here click into security here. After that, inside that menu, scroll all the way down to the advanced section. And here guys, simply click into this drop-down menu here next to select DNS provider and switch from your current DNS provider to family filter clean browsing, just like that. Additionally guys, what you want to do is scroll up here within that menu and here under safe browsing, make sure that either enhanced protection or standard protection is selected and not the third option here at the bottom. As you can see, it is expressively not recommended to use it because if you turn off the enhanced protection for the safe browsing feature on Chrome or the standard protection, Chrome will stop blocking these unwanted extensions, downloads, and also sensitive content like websites here on your Chrome web browser. So if you'd like to allow Chrome to block all of that sensitive content, make sure that the safe browsing enhanced protection stays enabled by clicking into it. And that's it guys, that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.